today's video, we're reviewing two gorgeous Chanel bags, and I'm so super excited to share them with you. So let's get started with the first one. This is a Lilac Top Handle bag, and honestly, lovelies, I am obsessed with the color. It's stunning. It also comes with a strap, which is super easy to attach. Just clip it on and you are good to go. Now let's take a closer look at this beauty. It has a zipper inside plus a twist lock closure at the front to keep your items secure. You can style this bag however you like, as a wrist bag or as a shoulder bag or even as a chic evening accessory. So if you're going for a cocktail party, dinner event, or any special occasion, this bag is just a versatile piece. I just love how cute and handy it is. Honestly, lovelies, this has to be one of the cutest bags of the month. I love it. Now moving on to the next one. Oh my goodness, I love this one too. Let's go ahead and unbox it together. So this is a Chanel Tote bag, and it's all shade of beauty and elegance. So if you're heading out shopping and don't want to carry something too big, this bag is a perfect choice. And don't be fooled, it actually has a lot of space. The detailing is absolutely gorgeous, and it even comes with an inner pouch that is attached to the bag. How amazing is that? This tote bag is not only elegant, but it's also perfect. I love it. It can hold your essentials, any product, and so much more. Lovelies, I'm in love with this one as well. So if you would like to grab one for yourself, I'm gonna leave the link to purchase this product in the video description below. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and snag one of these beauties, and of course tell me in the comment section which one is your favorite. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you again next time, remember last